Here's how to sell gift cards on CoinCola. Open your CoinCola app. Tap on P2P from the menu bar. At the top panel, switch to gift card. Use the filter options to choose the currency and select the type of gift card you're selling, like iTunes, Amazon, Steam, etc. Go through the list of available vendors and pick one that suits you. Look out for their rates, trade limits, and reviews. When you find a suitable vendor, tap Buy to place an order. Carefully read the vendor's instructions and terms before starting the trade. This helps ensure a smooth and successful transaction. Once everything looks good, create your gift card order and click Continue Trading to proceed. Share all required information with the vendor, including your gift card details or images, depending on their instructions. After the vendor verifies and confirms your gift card, they'll release BTC or USDT to your account. And that's it. You've successfully sold a gift card on CoinCola. Visit CoinCola.com or download the CoinCola app on the App Store or Google Play Store to explore all our cool products and features.